Good morning everyone. Today we will learn study of sound, chapter number 12th of class 9th. In previous lecture we learned about the reflection of sound, that is how echo produced, and various types of sounds, infrared sound, ultrasonic sound, various sound waves, and velocity of sound we also learned in previous lecture. In this lecture we learn about these points: sonar, sonography, and okay, firstly we will see about the sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. It is about the sonar. It is a device which uses ultrasonic waves to measure distance, direction, and speed of underwater objects. It is used as a sound navigation and ranging. It is used to determine the direction and distance and speed of an underwater objects. By this we can understand all these points. In this picture, here is the diagram of the how sonar works. Here is a receiver is here located. Transmitter is also there, transmitting pulses and reflected pulses. By this we can measure the distance, direction, and speed of the underwater object. Sonar has a transmitter and a receiver which are fitted on ships or boats at the bottom of it. Here is the receiver and here is the transmitter, and then it get transmitted and then here it get reflected. Sonar has a transmitter and a detector installed in ships. The transmitter produced ultrasonic sound waves which travel through the water, and after striking the object in the seabed is reflected back to the detector. The distance of the object can be calculated by knowing the speed of sound in water and the time taken between the transmission and reception of ultrasound. How can we observe that objects work? Firstly it get transmitted, and then we this transmitter and detector already installed in this ship, and then it transmit the object and the seabed and then reflected back to the detector, and then detector can told us that and measure the distance and direction of that speed. The receiver convert the ultrasonic sound into electrical signal. This receiver, here is the receiver, it converted ultrasonic sound into electrical signal, and this signal properly interpreted. The time difference between the transmission and reception is noted, and this time and the velocity of sound in water give the distance from the ship of the object which reflect the waves. Sonar is used to determine the depth of the sea. Sonar is also used to search underwater hills, valleys, submarines, and icebergs, sunken ships, etc. By using the sonar we can use to determine the depth of the sea. It is also used to search the underwater hills so that ship cannot make any accident and all. Okay, the distance of the object can be calculated by knowing the speed of sound in water and the time taken between the transmission and reception of ultrasound. Okay, if the time taken for the transmission and reception of ultrasound is small t and the distance traveled is 2d by the ultrasound, then 2d is equal to v cross t, or d is equal to v cross t upon divided by 2. Okay, this is the equation. Then we have to talk about the sonography, how sonography works. Sonography technology use ultrasonic sound waves to generate the image of internal organs of the human body. It is used to detect the internal organs of the human body. So we can detect can any अगर कोई गांठ वगैरह या फिर अगर कोई प्रेग्नेंट लेडी है तो वो बेबी की ग्रोथ अच्छे से हो रही है या नहीं, ये सब देखने के लिए हम लोग सोनोग्राफी करते हैं. या फिर अगर जो बॉडी के अंदर एक्स्ट्रा गांठ वगैरह ऐसे बन जाता है तो इसको डिटेक्ट करने के लिए भी हम लोग सोनोग्राफी यूज़ करते हैं, सोनोग्राफी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इज़ यूजफुल इन फाइंडिंग आउट द कॉज ऑफ स्वेलिंग, इन्फेक्शन एंड पेन, द कंडीशन ऑफ द हार्ट, द स्टेट ऑफ द हार्ट after a heart attack, as well as the growth of fetus inside the womb of pregnant woman are studied using the sonography technique. This technique make a use of probe and gel. The gel is used to make a proper contact between the skin and the probe so that full capacity of the ultrasound can be utilized. The gel is applied to the skin outside the internal organ to be studied. High frequency ultrasound is transmitted inside the body with the help of the probe. The sound reflected from the internal organ is again corrected by the probe and fed to a computer which generates the image of the internal organ, as this method is painless. It is increasingly used in medical practice for correct diagnosis. It is mostly used in the medical doctors and nurses. They can handle it very well, and this only used for the detect the internal organs of the human body. Okay, then we will talk about the human ear. This is about the human ear, structure of the human ear. The ear is an important organ of the human body. We can hear sounds because of our ear. When sound waves fall on the eardrum, it vibrates. Here is the structure of the human ear. Here is the eardrum is present, and sound waves bumped on this eardrum, and it vibrates. This vibration are converted into the electrical signals which travel to the brain through the nerves. The ear can be divided into three parts: the outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. Outer ear means this portion is the outer ear, this is the middle ear, and this is inner ear. This is inner ear. Okay, this is pinna. Outer ear we can also called as a pinna. The outer ear called pinna collects the sound waves. The sound waves passes through the ear canal to a thin membrane called eardrum. Through this pinna, sound waves entered in the ear, and it directly collected by these sound waves collected by the eardrum, and it get vibrated. And after that, through the nerves, the eardrum vibrates. The vibration are amplified by three bones of the middle ear called hammer. Here is the hammer, exactly near the eardrum. Anvil and stirrup. These three middle ear bones. The middle ear then transmit the sound waves to the inner ear. In the inner ear, sound waves are converted into electrical signals by the cochlea and sent to the brain through the auditory nerves. The brain then interprets the signals as a sound, and then we can hear the sound. These three parts of this ear is mostly important all parts, and ear also important to for listening. Okay, thank you so much. Here our chapter number 12 is completed. Thank you so much. Please like this video and comment on this video.